Today we are doing a quick tutorial on how to shoot stop motion using the DJI Osmo Pocket. My name is Nahashon and let's jump straight to it. Using the Osmo Pocket to create a stop motion, what you are going to do is basically a dirty tricks. We are going to go to time lapse, then we are going to have it at 5 seconds interval, and then for duration put it at infinite so that it won't cut out after a number of minutes. So when you click on record, what it will be doing, it will be taking a photo every 5 seconds, and at the end we are going to merge all these pictures to basically like the way you create a time lapse. That's what we're going to do to create a motion lapse. In this case, a stop motion. Creating the stop motion, the first thing you'll make sure is the Osmo Pocket is not shaking. So make sure you have something like a tripod that is going to hold it in place. Then you're going to prepare your scene. In this case, I have this collectible Android Droid. Then there's a phone, and there's the connector and a USB hub, which has a memory card. So what we are going to create is, we want everything to come merging together. So the scene right now is like this, but then we'll have to take a photo every 5 seconds with everything moving backwards. So that's what it will be doing. It will be like detaching. Then in post, we're going to make sure that everything comes back together. A few things to consider while creating stop motion is, if you want to create, let's say, a 1 second frame of video, which is, let's say, 24 frames per second, it means you need to do 24 pictures. So you'll be moving the items slowly and doing that will be one frame. Like you just move it once, takes a picture, move it again, it takes another picture. So you'll do that until you have enough images that can fit maybe 1 second, 5 seconds. So you need to be aware of what you want to create beforehand. So let's do the actual motion lapse. Right now what I'm doing is moving the objects slowly because the camera is taking a picture every 5 seconds. And if you look at the Osmo Pocket, before it takes a picture, the light, there's this green light which is going to blink. That's when you know a picture has been taken. So just make sure you are patient enough. So now we are going to put the video in post, and we are going to reverse it so everything looks like it has merged together, and I'll be able to show you the results. Right now I'm on my PC, and this is Adobe Premiere Pro. What you're going to do is, I've created a blank video just to get the sequence on, which is 1920 by 1080. Then I'll go here to File and Import. Then I'll select the first image in the folder where all the time-lapse photos are. So in total there are 40 photos. I'm not going to select this one because it has my hand in it. So I'll just select the second one and make sure you check this box, image sequence. Then on the first image, then click open. It's going to import it as a video. So just drag this into your sequence, and if you play it, okay, we have to resize it again. So just go back to it so that you can see what you're doing. Then scale at least to a good position. Then what you're going to do is we're going to change the speed duration. So let's bring that down to 30%, which will give us a 4-second video. Okay, we can go lower. Let's do 25%, sorry, speed. which gives us 5 seconds of video. Then, okay, let's just see what it has done first. You can see the result. It is creating a stop motion. So it's only 5 seconds. What we can do is, because we want everything to merge together, we'll go back to speed duration and click on reverse speed, then okay. So it will look like things are coming together and connecting to the phone, and then the droid comes in and the phone lights up. So what we can also do is we want to put a freeze hold at this point where the sequence ends, so that you can just stay on the screen much longer. So something, I'm sure this is not the correct way to do it, but what I usually just do is I can create a cut here. On the freeze holder, we're going to change speed duration and do 10%. Better yet, let's do 5% so that it can stay on frame for 1 second. No need to reverse the speed, and just click OK. So this will be the result. Okay, so let us see the final result. And that's it. That's how you create a stop motion. So that has been it for this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and other tech reviews.